Hello guys and welcome to today's market recap. I didn't took any trades today. First of all, I'm going to go and cover that up later, but today was actually a very interesting day. Like the setup was there, but I'm going to tell you the story afterwards. So before we do that, please don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit that subscribe button to let us reach 220 legends before the end of May. You did it right. You did subscribe. All right. Thank you, bro. Now we're going to cover up why I did not took any trades today. So first of all, I told you that from the trade bias identification video, I told you that I was bearish on USD GPY and I was bullish on GBP GPY. But then what ended up happening is, hold on, I'm going to start on with the little things. So on the daily time frame with USD GPY, we were bearish. All right, we're still bearish. We broke the structure to the downside. We're still continuing to fill in this daily imbalance, and we are still moving in a bearish order flow. Also, as well on the 4-hour, we're still bearish. We did not broke the structure to the upside. It's true that we did took out these lows, but and we took out these lows, and we took out these lows also. But then price did not broke the structure to the upside. All right, that's why. And I saw this upwards candle during Asian session, and I said that's the lower high. Now we're going to see the lower low, and I'm probably going to target out these lows or even these 4-hour lows as well. So with that, I scale down to the 1-hour to see any liquidity sweep or session liquidity that happened. So we had these Asian session highs, these hourly highs. We had these hourly lows as the Asian session, and with that London session opened. We did not see anything. We did not see any sweep. So this is London session and lows, and we did create these London session highs. Hold on, as you can see, these London session highs, and we also had these 1-hour highs. With that, I said I'm going to wait for the New York session to open, and then I'll potentially find my trade. And my trade would have been taking out these London session highs, maybe filling up this hourly gap, and or even taking out these Asian session highs. But then what ended up happening is price came up at the start of New York session. We came up, we took out these London session highs, and then by the time I was not looking at the chart, I was in school, I had an exam, and it's pretty shitty. I'm not going to lie. But then hold on, let me tell you. So we had this hold on, let me watch the 15-minute really quick so I can remember. So we have on the 15-minute, so where is it? Right here. I was looking at the chart right here. We had a break of structure. Look at this one. This one, we did broke the structure, but there was no retracement back into my continuation confluences and then break of structure to the downside. So kept waiting. I set my alarm right here to see if price take out any highs. We did took out a new high right here. Did took out these hourly highs. Hold on, and we fill in this hourly gap even more. So with that, I scaled down to the 15-minute to look for break of structure, and that what ended up happening right here. So I scaled down to the 5-minute to look for continuation confluences, and really by this time I was not looking at the chart. I said I was in the back of my mind, I was thinking that I have my alarm set, so when the alarms hit, I'm going to check in my trades or to check in the charts. But then the alarms were off. I don't know how, but then this setup happened. We have this fair value gap, we have this breaker block, and then price ended up breaking the structure on the 5-minute, retracing back into the fair value gap. And with that, if I was in the if I was looking at the charts, I would have like scaled out to the 1 minute, and I would have like waited for a break of structure. So, or if closer below the 79% Fibonacci extension, or literally like anything. So with that, if you put in a Fibonacci extension, like we did close and underneath the 79% extension, I could have like entered right here. My stop loss will be at these highs, and my take profit will be at these London session lows, or even these Asian session lows. But then price ended up like coming down. I was thinking like, do I take a trade? Because I already missed this one. I missed my entry on this one, and I said, damn bro, I really want to enter the chart. This looks like a good setup. But then I said, I gotta stick to my rules. If like I didn't catch my first entry point, I'm not going to like keep chasing this trade, because at the end of the day this could have been like a loser trade if I took it. And that's why you gotta like stick to your plan and never chase trades, even like if it's a plus setup but you miss the entry. You should not like keep chasing it. Like if the bus, look at it from this perspective. If you have school and the bus just ran through and you couldn't like catch it, are you going to chase it? No, you're going to wait for the another bus. So that's it. You gotta like think about it from that perspective in trading also. With that, also on GBP GPY, we did not like see any setup forming. I told you that I was bullish on GBP GPY, and my confidence is like never, none of them got filled perfectly. Like I was waiting for these long decision lows to get swept, or even potentially like taken out, and refilling up this 1 hour or 4 hour fair value gap. 1 hour I think, and potentially like looking up to scale this trade. And after taking out these lows, 15-minute break of structure to the upside, continuation confluence, and then I will target out these London session highs. That's it for me. I was thinking about it this way, but then price had another idea. We did not like see any sweep of liquidity even for the short term order for short buys. We did not like, it's true that we had this bearish SMT, but we did not like taking out this liquidity to the upside as soon as New York session opened. But then I kept waiting. None of my alarms got hit, so I'm going to delete this one. And that's it. It was a little bit like weird day trading, and I really like did a good job about avoiding this loss. This is a lesson for me. I'm going to keep journaling this trade. I'm going to keep back testing, and I think I gotta like get harder and smarter on trading, because I really think that I still like don't have the good edge. I still don't have the good strategy. I still don't have the good mentality and the good psychology. I'm going to refine. You gotta like be ambition, bro. You gotta be like take this fucking seriously, bro, because this is my career, bro. This is my lifetime career. I don't want to work a job. I don't want to like graduate on high school. I don't want to graduate on college. I don't want to go to college. I don't want to do anything of that shit. I just want to be successful in trading and never like go back to that shitty ass life again, bro. I don't want to like live that way, cuz like I think that trading is the way out for me. I genuinely like think that is trading is the only thing that I'm interested in this life, bro. I really like don't like any of other shit, bro. I don't want like fucking studying. I ain't gonna fucking going to college. I ain't gonna do any of that shit, bro. I'm going to do whatever it takes now. I'm going to work my ass off at the job. I'm going to go in and get a little bit of money to fund my trading and to fund my investment portfolio. I will work my ass off on trading every single day. I will do any single side hustle. I will do fucking what if it takes like to do 10 YouTube videos per day. I will do it. If it takes to be like I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm consistently working, but I really like want to do more. I genuinely think that I'm not doing enough. I genuinely think after all of what I've did, I genuinely think that I'm still not doing enough. And I'm telling you this by the fucking bottom of my heart, bro. Like genuinely, genuinely, like bro, I want to be successful in this thing. I know, I know there's still plenty of time, and my journey just started out. I know I just started 1.5 year ago, but like I'm not seeing the best results of trading, but I'm very sure and I believe and I genuinely believe and I genuinely like think that I will achieve that life. I will achieve that thing in my mind. I'm going to go all in trading. I'm all in. I'm already like all in. Like I need to manifest and I have that ambition of trading, bro. I have like I don't know how to explain this, but I really like very hungry for this shit. I want it more than you, bro. I literally want it more than you. I promise you, bro. Like I'm working on this day in and day out. The first thing that I do on my day, bro, the first thing that I do is to check on TradingView on my phone. The first thing that I do after I sleep, no fucking cold plunge, no fucking 100 push-ups. The first thing that I do is to open up my charts. That's the only first thing that I do. I don't care about no Instagram, I don't care about no people, I don't care about no girl, I don't care about none of that. None of that shit is real, bro. You gotta accept that shit. Like, I'm telling you this by the bottom of my heart. Please listen, bro. None of that shit, like, none of that shit matters, bro. No fucking girl is going to fucking buy you a Lambo. No fucking girl is going to pay your bills. None of those bitches going to do something to your life, bro. Like, think of it, bro. Like, genuinely think of it. Are you, like, if you want to live the life of the freedom, of financial freedom, if you want to travel the world, like, you want to buy your dream car, you buy your dream mansion, your dream house, your whatever you want, and you don't want, like, to be fucking multi fucking millionaire, are you think that school is going to get you there, bro? Like, you gotta like think about that by yourself. I genuinely believe that the answer is clearly not. Like my fucking teacher drives a fucking not even a Nissan Altima, bro. He drives a fucking $3,000 Opel, bro. Like you gotta think about. Well, I have to like study business study. What the fuck is business studies, bro? Look at your teacher, bro. Look at your teacher. Does he looks like he have a business, bro? If you wanna learn something about business, go learn from someone who has a business, bro. Stop fucking doing that shit. And I really like believe trading is the business that I'm going to achieve every single thing about my life in it, bro. I really think it's going to pay off. Y'all gotta be patient. That's all what you gotta do. Y'all gotta be patient and trust the process because, like, bro, this shit is going to pay off at the end of the day. You're not going to just be a loser for the rest of your life, bro. Like, the first years are the hardest, bro. The first years are the hardest. And I'm telling you that, and I'm telling myself that. I'm not just talking to you because at the end of the day, I'm not a teacher. I told you that from the first place, bro. I told you that from the beginning of the fucking YouTube channel, bro. I told you that I'm just like sharing my journey with you guys. I really believe that I'm going to achieve this life and I want to document that shit on my YouTube channel because I know in the future there will be people that in the same spot of me now looking to change their life too. And I really I want to inspire them by this journey. I really think that this is achievable, bro. It is achievable. It's not a dream, bro. It's no longer a dream. You gotta like work for it day in and day out. You gotta stay up late, wake up early, Like do all of that shit. And you know, like all of those people will like be and go on and say, "No, bro, you're not him," and start making fun. Bro, if you can't take that shit out with you, bro, you gotta like cut off all of that crap. You gotta cut off all of your relationship with these motherfuckers, bro. Okay, that cause they ain't do shit to your life. They ain't gonna do shit to your life, bro. And I'm telling you that you're not going to gain any single fucking value from these people, bro. If someone like just like laughed at your dream or laughed at something that you tell them that you're going to do, and they laugh, bro, you never like need to speak to that person, never in your entire fucking life, bro, because that shit does not even deserve to be with you, bro. That motherfucker does not deserve anything. And guys, I don't know, but I'm in the same spot of as you, bro. I'm no longer, I'm no, like, I have no difference with like with you, bro. Please. But I'm pretty sure that I'm in the same spot of 70% of you guys, bro. I really think that. And like I just want to make my life better, bro. I want to achieve my dreams. It's no longer a dream. I know. I want to achieve my objective, not dreams. I have objectives and I want to achieve them, bro. I have points in life. I want to do them. I have something that I don't want to do, which is like being average. I don't want to be average, bro. I don't want to be average. Like I'm doing all of this shit because because of the fear of being average, bro. I don't want to work at a fucking regular job. I don't want to go to college. I don't want to study. I don't want to do that any of that shit. I want to drop out of school. I want to like quit my job. I want to quit every single fucking thing of that. I just want to trade. That is my reality. I just want to trade, bro. And none of the fucking people that you know is going to like understand this shit. And I'm telling you, bro, I have the experience on this shit. None of the people that I told them that I'm going to achieve this thing or these things or I'm going to be successful in trading and make a shit ton of money, none of them has accepted the idea, bro. None of them. I'm telling you, none of them. Except for my brother, which has the same mentality as me. But besides him, bro, no one. Literally, like no one. No, my fucking dad. No, my mom. None of my other siblings. None of my friends. None of my any fucking body in this world, bro, believed in me. None of them. Zero. Like, bro, I can't do this shit, bro. I can't like stay surrounded by these clowns. I wanna like make it in trading and disappear from this country. I wanna move out. I wanna like genuinely I wanna move out. It's the worst fucking country I've ever lived in my like it is the only country that I've lived in and the worst. Like you can't do shit. I like when I make shit ton of money from trading, I can't even withdraw it all, bro. That's how fucked up the situation it is right here. And I'm going to say it. It is Tunisia, bro. It is the worst fucking country. If you ever like met a video or a TikTok about Tunisia saying, "Come, bro, visit Tunisia," like never think of that. Like from my perspective, sure, it has good places like for summer, I guess, but it has the worst people, the worst fucking society, the worst, like genuinely the worst. It is my hometown. Yeah, it's true. But fuck that shit, bro. Fuck that bitch. I'm not going to live this life ever again. I'm going to move out and never come back, bro. Never come back. And I will do every single thing that I told myself that I'm going to do. Bro. Like genuinely, bro. I want to make it in trading. I never want to I never wanted to work a job and I will never want to. I never wanted to go to class and I will never want to. I never wanted to go to university, and I will never go to. Cause like that shit is nothing to me. That means nothing to me. Like genuinely grades, fucking school, job, none of that shit makes sense. Maybe some of you say, but you gotta like take your college degree. What the fuck I'm going to do with a college degree, bro? Well, you're gonna say you're going to find a work, bro. I don't want to even work from the first place. Who told you that I want to work? I don't want to work a regular job, bro. I want to continue on this journey with trading and make a shit ton of money, and I genuinely believe that is possible, bro. It is achievable. I'm telling you the truth, bro. I genuinely believe, and I like literally believe that trading can literally change anybody's life if he lock in and he's in love with this shit. He's in love with making money. He's in love with this trading concepts. He loves doing this shit. I love looking at the chart. That is me. I love looking at the charts. I love being like sit on my desk, look for a couple candles, go up and down and make money. That's the life that I want. And by doing that, you gotta like work your ass off before all of that shit to happen. You gotta work and only work. You gotta put your head down and only work, bro. So that I'm going to call it a day right now. That was a little bit of emotional speech. Uh, I don't know, bro. I just kind of feel a little bit low today, and I don't even know, bro. But there's one thing that I know is that I'm going to be a profitable trader, and I'm going to achieve all of the things that I fucking told you about it. And whenever I feel low, bro, I go on and watch something inspiring. I suggest that to you. You may not like trade ICT concepts. Am I. I don't trade ICT concepts, and I didn't learn from him. But I suggest you guys go on and type ICT motivational speech, or even like ICT psychology speech. They He has like the most fucking beneficial speech that you're going to listen in your entire fucking life. Do not tell me none of the fucking trading gurus in this space has the same exact like speech as ICT, bro. I don't trade his concepts. I didn't learn his concepts. He's not my mentor, but like genuinely, he has the best psychology speeches ever, bro. You gotta like listen to him. I'm telling you, bro. He has. I literally like tell you, like he has a good experience. He has pretty much like 30 years in this space, and I feel like he's rich of not just the money, but of the information. He has a lot of informations about this thing, so I think it is logical to like to listen to him a little bit. I know I have another mentor. I didn't got mentored by ICT, but none of none of the information, none of my confluences are from ICT, but they are actually like he discovered the fair value gap, the order block, and the liquidity concepts. He like pretty much started this thing, but I really like his speech so much, and that's it for today. I hope you guys get beneficial from this video. Damn, it's already 23 minutes. I didn't even like notice, but this was a good video. I told you about every single thing. Literally, like I told you every single thing about what is going on in in my mind, and that's it. I really hope you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. And with that, let's say it again. Let's be 1% better every single day. I love and appreciate you guys. Keep grinding, never like quit, and continue working on this journey, because it's going to pay off in the last, bro. It's going to pay off, and I'm telling you, bro, because you gotta like stay patient, because patience pays. And we're going to end the video with that. Peace out.